Hey everyone, how are you all doing? Today, I wanted to share with you a thoughtful and unique gift idea for your friend's birthday. A custom birthday bouquet made with naturally sun-dried flowers and foliage. Oh, by the way, this is Butter and I call her Butt Butt. Butt Butt is very cute and I love her so much. I love her company. And so I just let her play around while I'm working on this bouquet. Creating a personalized bouquet is not only a beautiful way to show someone you care, but it's also an eco-friendly option that supports sustainable practices. By using naturally sun-dried flowers and foliage, you can incorporate the beauty of nature into your gift. Plus, it's a great opportunity to get creative and choose flowers and foliage that have special meaning to the recipient. Using natural sun-dried flowers and foliage is not only a beautiful and sustainable option, but it also allows you to create a one-of-a-kind, very unique and meaningful gift for your loved ones. Arranging dried flowers and foliage is also very fun and such a creative activity. It also brings a touch of natural beauty into our home. Whether you have a collection of dried flowers like me, or you're just starting arranging them into a beautiful bouquet, is a great way to showcase their charm. One of the best things about dried flowers is that they are long lasting, which means you can enjoy them for a very long time. Unlike fresh flowers that wilt and die after a few days, dried flowers keep their shape, color, and fragrance for months or even years. To start, you need to gather your dried flowers and foliage. If you don't have any, you can easily find them at your local florist shops, or you can just collect from the nature like I do. During my morning walks, I would never miss to find something that I can pick up for free from the nature and can use it to my creativity, such as this. Once you have your collection, you can start to arrange them into a beautiful bouquet. One of the keys to a stunning dried flower arrangement is to choose flowers and foliage that complement each other. Look for flowers and foliage that have constructing textures, shapes, and colors. Experiment with different combinations until you find the perfect match. For my collection, as you see, I colored some of them. I love to play with colors, so I use brush and paints to add some colors to my dried flowers collection. When arranging your bouquet, start by adding the foliage one by one. This will help you create a structure to build on. Don't be afraid to play around with the positioning of each flower and foliage until you get the desired effect. Start the flowers one by one, starting with the larger ones and finishing with the smaller ones. Finally, you can add a finishing touch to your dried flower arrangement. You can use any accessories that you like I do. I use those butterflies and that orange little ball to be there, to just give more colors on it. One of the keys to a stunning dried flower arrangement is to choose flowers and foliage that complement each other. Look for flowers and foliage that have constructing textures, shapes, and colors. Experiment with different combinations until you find the perfect match. In conclusion, conclusion, arranging dried flowers and foliage into a beautiful bouquet is a rewarding activity that can bring a touch of natural beauty and will certainly make your friends smile. With a little creativity, you can create stunning arrangements that will last for months and even years. So go ahead and give it a try and let your creativity shine. Next time, when you're looking for a meaningful gift, consider crafting a custom birthday bouquet with natural sun-dried flowers and foliage for your friend's special day. I guarantee it will be a gift that will be cherished and remembered for years to come. This one that I made, I'm gonna give this to my friend Nori. She's my longtime friend, and I was thinking of a gift that is unique that I'm sure will surprise her. So we attended her simple but happy celebration. Happy birthday, Nori! Happy 60th birthday. God bless you and more years to celebrate together. Thank you, friends, for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe.